In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track events in Mixpanel. Start by opening Mixpanel in your browser and heading into the project you want to analyze. Once you're in, navigate to the Events section. This is your live event stream and the best place to verify that your tracking is working and to explore how users are interacting with your product in real time. At the top, use the search bar to quickly find specific events. Type the event name you're looking for, even partial names if you're not sure of the exact casing. Consistent naming is important, so if you have similarly named events, use the search to confirm you're looking at the right one. This is especially helpful when you're rolling out new instrumentation and want to validate that events are arriving as expected. Next, adjust the time window so you're seeing the right slice of data. Click Custom Date and choose a range that matches your question. Maybe the last hour for live validation, or the last 30 days for a broader review. You can set absolute start and end dates or pick relative windows. If you're not seeing what you expect, expand the range or confirm your time zone settings, since timestamps are shown relative to your project's configuration. To ensure you're not unintentionally limiting your view, select All Events. This clears any event-specific focus so you can scan everything flowing into the project. It's a great way to spot unexpected events, check naming consistency, and get a quick sense of volume before you narrow down. When you want to zero in on a subset of traffic, click Filter. Choose an event or user property and define a condition, such as equals, contains, or numerical comparisons like greater than. This is perfect for isolating a platform, a campaign tag, a plan type, or a feature area. If you need more than one condition, click Add to include additional filters. Combine them thoughtfully to avoid excluding useful data. For example, use AND for a precise match or OR to compare multiple values. As you review the results, pay attention to the columns in the event stream. You'll see the event name, the exact time it was captured, and the distinct ID that identifies the user or device. You can also view the city and country, which are derived from geolocation, and the operating system, which is invaluable for debugging platform-specific issues. These details help you confirm that the right users in the right places on the right devices are triggering the events you care about. That's it. Open Mixpanel, explore events, search, set a custom date, switch to all events, refine with filter and add, and then interpret the key details to validate and understand your tracking.